So when we first started working with hemp, one of the first problems we experienced was harvesting equipment. But it's a problem no more. Throughout the years when we grew hemp, we always developed new harvesting equipment for ourselves. But this year we partnered up with Ferromoto and we developed a new commercially available hemp harvesting header. It's a 4-meter hemp stripper head. It can be mounted on anything with a frontal loader and powerful enough hydraulics. So this particular one was built for our friend. He had another problem though. He didn't have anything to put it on. So we came up with this. So this used to be an old match rod sprayer, which we repurposed to a hemp harvester. When our friend sent it to us, we did the service, we did all the repairs, we removed the front booms, we removed the tanker. We had some problems with that. But it's all fixed now. We installed the bunker with a moving floor and a white tent so you get light inside and you can see how much biomass you got. You might ask me, how can you see through that? Cameras. Through these cameras you can see how much biomass you got in the bag, you can see if the bag is open, you can see the moving floor, and you can see the unloading process. So all the controls inside are original, so anyone jumping inside will have no trouble learning how to drive this. On a truck and off to Poland. And if you want something similar, a stripper head starts at 23,000 euros, and that, well, it really depends on the project, so it's up to us.